Are you throwing carrot peels? You will not after watching this video. Try stir-fry carrot noodles. Good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. I am using peels of carrot and carrots for sweet pudding. Wash them and drain. You need ginger, garlic, green chili, onion, black pepper, red chili flakes, garlic salt, soya sauce, chili sauce, flax seeds, vinegar, spinach, add cottage cheese, green pepper, chop onion, chili, garlic, ginger. Heat pan and add oil. Add flax seeds and cook. Chopped ginger. At center, add all sauces and seasonings and mix. Add carrot peel, spinach, cottage cheese and green pepper. Add white vinegar 2 spoons. Cook until become a little soft, but crunchy. Stir-fry carrot noodles are ready to serve. Serve hot with salad. It's so filling and yummy. Tell me in comments if you like my recipes. For more healthy low-carb keto recipes, subscribe and follow the updates.